What's popping, everybody? You know what it is. 94 Bramanga, Mr. O. Reaction. We're back again with another video. Yeah, man. Don't come and go here. Not zapasi. And because I'm funga speaker rapper for sound. Na mina zote. So yeah, man. Guys. I'm happy. Ngandena kamsi ndakuzama ushumanga yona vewe ndikuzama uya vatona ndikuzama kamsi ndikona consistency ndikona pasa video now and then again. If not check out before here video ndopasa video no ya top channel, please go and check it out. Yesabona mthanga waya netele because ndazo hinza ngoifuna ngandela kamozo ngamanda. And then after he ukodoposa yemwe futhi ya top channel langa neponda nizi bune zothona mkala. The more you watch, the more you're motivated wena mkala. And also don't forget to subscribe. So yeah, ndo byakala Kid Venda obalance ana Zozo and Sanga Super Beat na miyabana ndikwamba Mikiele miyabana Mickey Black ngeno ndatele kage buzofi arive liyopembera. So enough for this yoba, I mean like the music video now for this yoba una worry yeah one of antabadi more than 88,000 views don't yeah but bakufuna but bakubona nams ndo bona the track ndo banzo yobvana country no bahone ngangeni wamba kazi Spotify na, so you can go and check it out each and everywhere. So holy music video ndidozamo ndita screen record. So this screen record recorder only for 10 minutes. Zuka mazo ala nda direction ya 30 minutes ka recorder. I have to record again. So ngoma ngamse glitch na mina zote kana no data bengo tipo zidowele zitu zo editor na the music video atingo zidona na t. But yeah, man, abe about one music video not Kid Venda. I'm happy about this song, man, because I feel like it's one of those songs. Obvious, Rutkid is very, very good. Like, this guy is very, very, very talented. Nengamba zona funa hey uyimba na mapengo hey remix. You can say whatever you wanna say, but this guy is very, very talented. And what was not good zone, he knows what he's doing. So when it comes to this track, I'm happy about it, man. Like, it does creativity out of this world. I know this scandal as well. Hey uyimba na mapengo. I mean, it just Rutkid being Rutkid. Akembanga na mangayo. Official unokona Zozo ni Sanga Super Beat na Ramdiwa Zozo mungombe na comes apart from Chingondo and ono be official Zozo ndi makazi, but like on about they don't mean never flop. I don't know, but I ain't got to know that ngongwana when she announced una Zozo wana makungo bad but what yeah for makazi na Zozo, but then you know somebody Paul was like yeah baba tubanja bongo to you know they didn't jam with it, and also na Zozo avana kana hey but na mina zote, but then that person they don't make the great right kamwe theke nono amajambo ruseni ngwana ngaye bachita elwanga remix ya hone na remake. So yeah, man, for now I'm not Kid Venda. It's not a remix of anything. It's about taking away your draws out the you know if arrive rio pembela. So basa dibi upembela ndu celebrate kongwana upembela ndu celebrate like ndu pembela is to celebrate, like musina zwavudi nto yana zwipembela ngozona musina zwavudi zoiteaho. So yeah, man, I'm loving this track, man. One of my tracks of December. So before maybe chamba zinji, let's get to it, man. Let's get to it. Full screen. Woo! C4 omwana na kwa namgra. Then I beat, I'm sure. KD Films production. Abantu ba KVR. Gore break down na pasika mozori akho gona uzuranta kula box kongwana zuka mozuna boke wa hona akho yopembeliwa hapa gore mbo the break down iko bilisa hey hey kepela tiwela mozana anambo. So you know what I've observed there. Goreo break down. Oda mwa kula box baza mevula, but oda mwa zrapa na haro wako dinuna. Wata namba zrapa na baba pembela ne, pola namba dinuna ne. Palinga ngawondro ko sumbu fe. Ringa siri cho pembela nganta na goreo yo imagine. Kana goreo break down. Just because goreo break down that doesn't mean that goreo im pembela. We continue. Zo. Gotanga baje mufuna bado munna. Rana volume 1 to 9 haya nange. Yazi video. Ari pero pembera. Nisina doni rengera. Dichanu ustarera. Ara nisina doni rengera. Ari pero pembera. apart from something or maybe ndine because so Rotkid ambara zwithu zwithihi ne ukhamba nazo nga drata, right? But then ndikubona hembe yazo zitshi kho change color or zikho bva ka dzengele because sometimes those personal color whether it's more arrive mara chidu chama shumbezo ndi ukhamba nga like it's the same day but ndikubona hembe yazo zitshi kho change abantu batshi kho damba maybe atikubona zwona ari pero pembera nisina donirengera dichanu sarera arare nisina donirengera ari pero pembera nisina donirengera when I change all music video dichanu sarera arare nisina donirengera ndokundera wa kutamba naye ai ndokundera wa kutamba naye ndokundera wa kutamba naye hey yeah embe iko chinja so I think maybe ndizvinhu zvakukhamisa automambana Rotkid vendo ambana zozo matuna yemuna ari vropembera vazo vakwambole ndokuindira wotamba naye munna ndasina muthu ndingabvana pembera naye ndikoliwa ndicho invite ngwana so this is the next day happen ngondira kuti ndikala chimuumbera achibira mini wotamba naye but no umwana wotamba naye okay I'm just guessing You know, I always say, Kawatana Vandina, Gamanda my kids when I'm teaching. There was not sometimes, but we're about black. And I was not if they were black, even in a bottle like green, it was even gonna be as famous as Heineken. But bro, I didn't know what is it about the brown bottle and the green bottle. But I feel like if you wear a bottle like green, I'm not going to come back for that. But you know what I'm talking about, right? Você é muito olho, não cara. Você é nungu. Você é dipaho, o mano, eu me quero ya, me quero ya sinda maban. Katara wazozo man. Hey. And zingasi manga the if vule oita beat wazozo vashisvika inge vapiwa katara vapange lead guitar pala lead guitar or vapange lead guitar or lead something zingasi manga because vule C4 one of the best massive stuff man. It's what I'm talking about. So, Aba Miki Oscar Zurapas and Ambra Zambroti, but Hembia has change. I didn't know what I mean, never bit, which is the singing Zimbili, those Hembia with Safan. I don't know what was going on because the one I probably Zakata, Mikata Zurapas, I Zurapas it then. Because Mona, Miko Zurapas, so for a Qatar, Rotico Shika, so for a Qatar, Marahembe, you change. So I don't know what. Don't know. Alva. Massive stuff. As the door elections in Nago, I was post up house on Gara. record anongafha ndi kuibona zvino vana vanna vaifara ngongwana uko pembra ningi izvo sina glory ngoba kwa Thomas zvithi namba zapedzisiwa. I love that continuity. I love that continuity. And songo vona vhathu ni tshi khou dina zozo nga nthu nga dzi nthu hedzi dzi nyaga dzi visuals nyaga dzi ifana kwamba dzi visuals songo vona zozo vhathu tshi khou diniwa vha nyaga dzi verse. Please ntemu badela ndi munna muḓi muthu, you must pay him if you nyaga uri nthu dzi verse. Songo pfa mndu wa kupuriwa he zozo khombela verse awuna verse ya mahala mazozo. Yeah man, guys, this is a beautiful song man. As it's dzothe reaction dzine dzo nyaga uri ṱoḓi khou breaka dzi line dziṅwe to ḓiphina sainei, we're just enjoying, having fun because it's a massive song man. Nalifo bra mangenge, I'm out.